Hey everyone, welcome to the December updates on our monthly cloud series. In today's video, we will be exploring several exciting updates from Amazon Web Services. Let's dive right in and explore what's new. First one is Amazon S3 has announced the general availability of the storage browser for S3. It is an open source tool that can be added to web applications. This feature provides authorized users such as customers, partners, and employees with an easy interface to browse, upload, and download data stored in S3 directly from your application. Available in the AWS Amplify React and JavaScript client libraries, Storage Browser for S3 allows users to search for files by name and perform tasks like copying or deleting data they have access to. This update also introduces automatic checksum calculations for uploaded data, ensuring data integrity during transfers over the public internet. With AWS Business Enterprises support plans, users also get 24/7 access to cloud support engineers. The second update is about the launch of Amazon Nova, a new generation of state-of-the-art foundation models now available on Amazon Bedrock. These models are designed to offer cutting-edge intelligence with impressive price-to-performance value. The available models include Amazon Nova Micro, a fast, low-cost text-only model with the lowest latency; Amazon Nova Lite, a budget-friendly model for processing text, image, and video inputs at high speed; Amazon Nova Pro, a versatile model combining accuracy, speed, and affordability for a wide range of tasks; Amazon Nova Canvas, a high-quality image generation model; Amazon Nova Reel, a state-of-the-art video generation model. These models are optimized for performance and ease of use, especially for RAG and agentic applications. With customization options, you can fine-tune Nova Micro, Lite, and Pro to meet your specific needs, while Nova Canvas and Nova Reel offer high-quality visual content with built-in safety features like watermarking and content moderation. Amazon Nova models are available in multiple US regions, and you can get started through the Amazon Bedrock console. The third update is about Amazon SageMaker Hyperport recipes. It is designed to help you quickly train and fine-tune publicly available foundation models with state-of-the-art performance. SageMaker Hyperport enables customers to scale generative AI model development across hundreds or thousands of AI accelerators, improving performance and reducing model training time by up to 40%. As foundation models continue to grow in size, customizing them can take weeks of experimentation and debugging. SageMaker Hyperport recipes simplify this process, allowing users of all skill levels to quickly train and fine-tune popular FMs. These recipes include a pre-configured training stack tested by AWS, eliminating the need for extensive setup and experimentation. Additionally, users can easily switch between GPU-based and AWS Trainium instances with a simple recipe change, and enable automate model checkpointing for greater training reliability. SageMaker Hyperport recipes are available in all AWS regions where SageMaker Hyperport and SageMaker training jobs are supported. The fourth update is about AWS Elastic Beanstalk now supporting automatic environment status updates when an environment enters an invalid state during an update failure. With AWS Elastic Beanstalk, customers can deploy and manage applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. However, if an environment becomes unavailable due to the associate stack entering an invalid state, customers previously had to contact AWS support to update the environment status. Now Beanstalk automatically detects the issue and prompts customers with a guide to fix the underlying stack. Once the required adjustments are made, users can retry the request and Beanstalk will automatically update the environment status to available, minimizing downtime and simplifying the process. This new feature is generally available in all commercial regions where Elastic Beanstalk is supported. The fifth update is about Amazon ECS now supporting network fault injection experiments on applications deployed on AWS Fargate. This feature allows you to simulate disruptions in your network to test how your applications behave under stress, improving their performance, observability, and resilience. With the integration of the AWS Fault Injection Service, you can now perform 6 types of fault injection actions for ECS on both EC2 and Fargate: network latency, network black hole, network packet loss, CPU stress, IO stress, and process termination. Developers and operators can now test their application's response to potential network issues, helping identify configuration gaps, monitoring deficiencies, and operational weaknesses. This capability also supports regularity compliance requirements by simulating network behaviors that might cause failures. You can now opt in to use fault injectors like AWS FIS for network-related experiments such as increasing network latency, inducing packet loss, or testing black hole ports. This feature is automatically enabled in all AWS regions where AWS fault injection service is available. That wraps up our AWS updates for December. From exciting new features like Amazon Nova and SageMaker Hyperport recipes to practical enhancement in Elastic Beanstalk and ECS fault injection, there's plenty of innovation to explore. We have these updates help you build and optimize your cloud applications more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cloud news. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.